How to fix 0x00000009 IRQL not greater or equal stop code on Windows. 1. Run the BSOD troubleshooter from MIS 2. Update your graphics card. Drivers using the recommended Avast driver updater in this video guide. Plan B, download the older version of graphics card drivers. 3. Run the SFC scan and the DISM tool. Commands include sfc/scanodism/online/cleanupimage/scan-help-dism/online/cleanupimage/restore-help-for. Check the hard drive for potential bad sectors. 5. Check your RAM and other computer hardware. 6. Run Windows Clean Boot. Note, you may need to remove problematic software using the recommended uninstall tool pro in this video guide. 7. Keep your Windows up to date. 8. Reset your Windows.